Are you frustrated with your computer? Is it broken again or stuck on a painful loading or error screen? When it comes to computer repair, don't trust this job to just anyone. At MadPCRepair Mobile, we specialize in helping businesses upgrade their computer systems, ensuring seamless operations and top-tier security. With Microsoft ending support for Windows 10 in October 2025, now is the time to upgrade. We offer system upgrades, data transfers, printer troubleshooting, and more. Networking is at the heart of what we do. Every day, we connect with local business owners, understanding their needs and providing IT solutions that keep them ahead. We bring expert tech support directly to you, whether it's in your office, co-working space, or store. From software updates to hardware fixes, we've got you covered. Let's keep your business running smoothly with professional IT support you can trust. Contact us today at 813-484-0543 or visit www.madpcrepairmobile.com. Let's upgrade your technology together.